This is where I want to get to, that is to have this inner bevel. I'll start at this point, so I've selected face mode, number 3, so let's get rid of those. Face mode number 3, so I go E for extrude, Z for vertical, put it down, middle mouse wheel to snap to the vertical, do a bit more with it say, and the bevel we want it to come around here. So let's see what happens if I go to edge, select number 2, select that edge, and then I'm going to do a control B and then start to drag it out. Sure, I'm adding in segments, but the edges are making it, the adjacent edges are making it all go weird. I think that's why it's going weird. So I'll escape from that, Control Z all that. So now I'll delete these edges, so, or dissolve them anyway. So that's those two gone, and the matching pair on the other side. Shift to select more than one, and again dissolve edges. Now this time if I do put my edge focus there, and now I do Control B, then I'm just increasing the number of segments, then it does what I wanted. Something I still don't understand is why is it that when I spin the wheel, the distribution seems to be unequal insofar as it gravitates towards one edge rather than the other. You can still do the other, but it doesn't seem to be evenly distributed. Puzzling to me.